So we're just looking at the same exact history. So once again, this history right here that it shows when the red line crossed over and then the money flow started heading down, the same area was going up. It started heading down right here. And you look at this momentum right here. The MACD was going up for a while. And then right here is when it started going down. So all these three things generally did the same thing. The momentum started going down, the red line crossover, and the money flow started pointing down. And what do we see happens? The candles hit the top of the Bollinger Band and it's on a steady climb down. And then we get out around this area right here because this is where it hits the Bollinger Band. But look, the blue line crosses over. It's super oversold right now and the blue line crosses over. So we could have got out around this little area right here. And guess what else happened? The money flow started pointing up. So that's when a good sign for you to get out of here. The money flow started pointing up. The blue line crossed over. And what? The momentum right here kept on going down and it started going up right here. That's when you get out. You're gone. You see, and you got a lot of profits from that. So what happened? Same thing happened here. We got in up here. Now we got a big red candle coming down. Everybody that got in is winning. The momentum's going down. The red line crossed over. And what is the money flow doing? The money flow is going down now. You see that? Money flow is pointing down. The red line has crossed over the blue line. We see that. Right here with the momentum, it was right here and it started going down. So the momentum's going down the MACD. And then what do we see when we look at the Bollinger Bands? The same thing. The Bollinger Bands was right up here. We took the trade. Now it's going down, down, down. So this is what we wanted. So some of you guys could already have got out the trade when it hit this moving average, exponential moving average right here. Let's go ahead and set you guys up for, this is probably a little bit more than a little money, depending on how much you put in there. But that's our little money line. This is like a mid money line right here. And the big money is going to probably be down. This Bollinger Band is going to start reaching up if it keeps on going down. Let's see, when did it start? Probably around this little area right here would be the big money on this trade. So that's the resistance line. That's the little money. This is our mid money right here. And now it hit that same spot again, so you guys could get in again to go down. It just hit our same spot we got in, so you guys could get in once again. And this is the big money. And it might even go to where we really wanted it. We really wanted it at the level of 90, which it almost tried to hit right there. It's at 52. The resistance member is up here at the 90 level. So, but this is where it's kind of stagnating and keeps on going down. So you could have took that trade and went down to the little money. I know I didn't put that in here fast enough for you, but right here, the little money, you guys could have took that money already. And what we want to do now is just for it to keep on going down. We're looking, the momentum still going down on the MACD. The blue line did cross back over. But you see the money flow is predicting for it to start going down. And this is what it looks like. Last time you see it hit the exponential, went back up. And it'll probably do that again. If it hits this exponential, this will be the little money. We might even want to take it out a little higher, because now it just went a little higher. But this is our resistance right here at the 90 level. That's when my penny trade is going to kick in. And you guys can set that level also. And right here is the last high it was really around that 40 cent level. So it's really fighting right now. And this is like resistance number 2. Resistance number 1 is way up here at the 90. Resistance level 2 is at like this 36.40 level, where we seen when we first got in, it was fighting right there. Now it's fighting. It's going up and down for this same period. And it's moving pretty fast. And that's why we love trading gold, because of the movement. The movement is very, very fast. And it's almost to that ultimate resistance at 80 right now. So my trade is going to kick in at 90. My other one, if it does get that high, I already put that penny trade in. Here it goes. All right, so I would put a trade in right here. My penny trade just kicked in. That's at that 90 level. That's where that resistance level really is. And let's see if it rejects and starts coming back down really fast. We've seen it get to the 90. Now it's back to 70. Let's see what happens here. And let's look at the 15 minutes. And on 15 minutes, look, it just peaked to the top, where it's saying it should be coming back down right here. The red line is just about to cross over on the 15 minutes, which is a great, great sign for us. This is what it looks like from the 15-minute perspective. The last time it's been in here was this area right here, before it did some drastic up and drastic down, right? And so that's why we picked that for the 90. Really like that level right here to get in right around there. Everything is saying this is super overbought. The 5-minute, the 15-minute. Let's look at what the 45 minutes telling us. It's not on that one. Let's see the 1 minute. The 1 minute also is super high on the 1 minute. Everything is saying this should be coming back down. And now it's at the resistance. And so this is the best place to get in right here. And we should expect this to start going down. Might take a couple minutes for us, but it is right here at that sweet spot to where it should be coming back down. All our indicators are telling us that. We just need a little bit of momentum. It was having a little bit of momentum, but we need a little better momentum going down so we can have this little ball rolling down, basically. And our stop loss was set at like 1857, so we're not worried about that. That's kind of far off. Or it's 1856. 1856.60. So we're at 1855. And the money flow still is shifting down. We just need this red line to cross over right here. There's nowhere. Now, if you look at the blue line, it's all the way to 99.93. There's nowhere for it to really go up. It's like all the way the highest it should go. That's the Stochastic RSI. And let me look at the currency strength. And we're looking at the USD. The USD is very weak. So gold should be strong actually right now. And let's look at the odd. The odd is in the middle. And here it is. It's floating up here. Should be taking a swing down really soon. And we're just waiting it out. We just need one serious red candle coming down, and then the momentum is going to topple, and it's going to do the same thing that happened right here. This momentum started coming down. It went really far down. And let's look at the past. Like in this area right here also. This is where we're looking at. Something like this happening where it starts going down. And the last time it did this, about 2 hours ago, it was at 54.39. It went all the way down to 52.81. But this might be even bigger profits because it's going up, up, up. Let's see if when it did this last, it was something like this area right here where it went up, up, up. And then it went down. That would be from 59.45 all the way down to 55. We'd have got $4 in profit on that one. We just want to see a couple red candles in a row to get this momentum moving for us on the 5-minute. Hopefully this stays a red candle right here. There it is. It goes the red candle we were looking for. And now we just need another back-to-back red candle. It was super, super high hitting this Bollinger Band right here. We knew it was coming back down, so we predicted. My pending trade came in right here. So we're in profit with that one. My other trade, I was down here, so we need to wait a little bit for that. So let's get another red candle. Open up green on us. And it's sufficient to do one, maybe two trades. You don't have to put in so many trades. If you keep on, like me, I have the penny trade and then I put in one trade around this area. I do feel like it's going to fall, but you don't want to, if it goes higher, you don't want to put in another trade for it to go down. You just want to do like one or two trades. Just let it, do its thing. Put it on a trailing stop loss. So you don't have to worry about it or worry about falling asleep on it or anything like that. There it is. It went back up. This is that high area. The resistance is trying to pull up to like a 07, but this is still a great resistance because we should be seeing it come back down underneath this resistance line. See, the red line just crossed over. This should really be falling down. All the indicators are saying this should be falling down. The money flow's bent down. Everything is saying this should be coming down right now. The momentum, you see right here, the momentum's going down. It's going down very slow. It's like a little bit of momentum. See, just like how this happened right here, this is what we wanted to happen. We wanted the momentum to just start crashing down like the last time, which is in this area right here where the momentum just crashed down. And that's the same thing we wanted to happen right here. The red line did just cross over. Everything is looking like this is good to go down right here. We're still in the trade. Beautiful. We are trailing stop losses. And don't do more than like 3 trades at the most right now in this in gold, because sometimes gold, what it does is it just starts moving like really fast. It's going to definitely come back down because what comes up comes down. But look at right here where this thing just kept on shooting up, right? If we got in right here and just broke through, went all the way up here, yeah, it's going to come back down, right? But we don't want to be in 3-4 trades when it goes all the way up here, because then it might do the stop loss. And if you have your stop loss too big, you're way up here, man, you can start losing a lot of money if you can't wait it out till it comes back down and back into your money. So that's why I say be very, very careful when you're doing stop loss. This is yesterday where we were at. It went up here, started going down, boom, boom, boom. And so that's what we're looking for, the same kind of thing. See, when it goes up, it goes down, up again, down. It's very rangy. So that's why people love to trade gold. Like right here, it just kept on going up. Yeah, it went back down when it hit this resistance, but then it went back up. See, this resistance right here is really good because it keeps on doing that throughout the day today. But it did break through the resistance one time, and then it started crashing back down really fast. And so we're right here. And it did go up, up, up and away. It's still trying to go up. This is the last high that it just had. The last candle just went back up to that range. The red line is crossed over. It's telling us everything should be heading down. Let's get another good red candle coming down. Give us a good red one. See right here, it's saying it's going down. Look at this. It's saying it's definitely going down. Money flows pointing down. Everything is saying this should be going down. It's kind of consolidating right here for the last 3 candles. But everything is telling us this is going down. But it keeps on staying around this little area right here. What we need is just a big candle going down. That would be great, like going down 50 cents, and then you'll see that it'll just keep on going down, 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 down. The MACD, see this momentum. Momentum is going down faster now, it looks like. So that's a good sign. But it's still consolidating. It's consolidating right at this resistance line. We definitely want this resistance line to win the battle. Be like a force shield to come back down in. Let's go. Let's see what it looks like at the 1 minute mark. It's very, very consolidated on the 1 minute. And you see these Bollinger Bands are actually trying to tighten up on it. It got very consolidated these last like about 15 minutes. It's been very consolidated just right here to right here. Yeah, gold has gotten a little weaker. That is true. And it's just very rangy today. Last time it was up here, crashed down. And that's what we're predicting. We're just predicting for it to do the same thing it's been doing all day. It's just been consolidated. That's 5, 10, 15. About 20 minutes is consolidated right here, this area. The red line's crossed over. Everything is saying this is coming down. It's super overbought on every indicator. The momentum, this is what's kind of the momentum right here is going down. I mean, everything is saying this is going down, but basically this price. I guess it's saying that it went down from these wicks, but let's get a red candle here. We need a couple red candles in a row. So that gave us a red candle and then switched into a green candle. It's a red doji. Usually after a red doji, then it turns into a green candle. We know that. But that's only like, 70% of the time. That's why I love also trading like MetaTrader 5, trading the gold like this. It's like we have our stop loss set up. It's higher. We're nowhere near that right now. Man, we just sometimes you gotta play the waiting game. Every indication saying this is going down. We just gotta wait for it. Yeah, hopefully it throws off another red candle right here. Let's go. Let's throw off a red candle, you guys. Let's go. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Let's do this thing. There goes the exponential. There it is, going down, down, down. Come on. Let's go down. Down, down, down. Beautiful. This is what we're predicting. Everything lines up perfect. What we're predicting. You see it starting to dump down, starting to do everything we want it to happen. Let's go. Everything is saying this is going to dump down. We're right here. We got our resistance line, our little money line, our mid money. We got our big money line. Right now we see the Sautoctic RSI crossing over. let's look at this. We got the red line crossed over. That means it's going down. We also got the money flow telling us it's going down. Everything is telling us it's going down. We got the Bollinger Band showing us it's going down in real time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this money, man. Let's go. Beast Trader session. Let's go, you guys. We knew it was going down. Here we go. We're in it to win it. Right now, it hit the moving exponential moving average. Some people could have cashed out right there. That was pretty good. If you got in high enough, it went down so far from its top, 1855. It went all the way down to 18. So it went down $1 in the last 15 minutes. So that's big money for us, but we're trying to get even bigger money. We're way down here. We're trying to get $2 gains and things like that. So we're in it to win it, you guys. Let's win. Session, stay winning, you guys. We always want you guys to leave as winners. This is a goal. XAU USD. Let's go, you guys. Great job, all our students. If you did get off at the 90 at the resistance line, this is a pretty good profit right now. You guys can cash out of that right here. You hit the exponential moving average and it's kind of bouncing off of that. I wanted to break through. I'm going to wait a while. I'm going to probably get out where I said the little money is, if you got in at that first position I got in at like, I think it was 40 something. So 40, I think it was 46. So that's why I said this is a little money from 46, but my pending order was way up here and it's already made me little money. I can cash out that one if I want to, but I have a trailing stop loss. So that should be good for me to keep on going with that one. The next one I am going to cash out with our session is going to be at this little money when it gets there. So you guys wait a little bit longer for this red to cross. It's still crossed. Everything is saying this should be shooting down right now. The momentum is going. Look at this momentum, how it dropped down for us. Beautiful. That's what we really wanted to happen. And then we got the money flow bouncing down. So this looks like a really good trade. You guys might want to stay in it for longer unless you got in a little higher. So I'm going to wait this out. And hopefully you guys actually got into the trade. And you might have got in 2 times with the pending order was at 90 while I was telling you guys before. And I got in at this 43. And it's almost to that level right now. Right now it is at 58 and I got in at 46. So we're about to be in profit on both the trades, the early one and the one that I had on the pending order. And you see that it's just dumping. You know, this should keep on going down for a while. We got this at a good point in time. So good job, you guys. God bless everybody. And you guys have a very good night.